Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we're bringing stir fry prawns. For stir fry prawns, we've taken 250 grams of prawns, some diced onions, some capsicum, beaten egg, and ginger and garlic mashed and diced. So what we're going to do is to the prawns we'll add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and some salt to taste. Now once we've added this, we'll mix it gently. After mixing it gently, we are going to add some ginger garlic paste to this. We've not added the complete ginger garlic that we have. We've used the rest one in the dish that we are preparing. Now we'll add some vinegar to this. After adding the vinegar, we'll add some soya sauce. We'll mix it properly, and after mixing it properly, we'll add some beaten egg. In fact, we've taken 1 egg, we've beaten it well and added it to the mixture. Now we'll keep these prawns for marinating for good 15 to 20 minutes at least. After this, we'll take the prawns out, coat them very gently with some all-purpose flour. After coating it with all-purpose flour, we'll keep it for some time, just hardly 5 minutes. Now in a wok, we'll add some oil. You can use refined oil or mustard oil, whatever you want to choose. Now we'll add the prawns to our hot pan. After we've added the prawns to the pan, we'll mix them properly, toss them in the pan so that all of them get evenly covered and get heated up. Now we'll cook this on the flame for good 15 minutes. These are big prawns, these are those large prawns, so they'll take some time to get heated up. If you're using small prawns or medium sized prawns, they'll get cooked earlier. Now we'll take this out, and now we're going to prepare the sauce for our stir fry prawns. We'll take some oil in the pan, add the remaining ginger garlic paste like I was sharing with you. We'll add some diced onions, some diced capsicum, mix it properly. It's a very easy dish to prepare, and in fact it came out very well. You can use it, you can in fact eat it as a starter. You can even increase the sauce and eat it with some fried rice. Now to this we've added masalas, some red chili powder, some coriander powder, some jeera powder we've added. Now we've added ketchup. Close to around 3 large tablespoons of ketchup we've added to this. Mix it properly. After we've mixed it properly, we'll add little bit of the remaining marinade sauce which is left of the prawns in which we'd marinated it. Now we'll quickly add the prawns to this mixture. Toss it, gently mix it. Ensure that the sauce is covered with the prawns completely. After the prawns are covered with the sauce, we'll add some white till to it, sesame seeds. This gives a good look to our dish and it looks very tempting and very tasty. In fact, it came out really very well. After this, we'll cover it for some time because, like I said, these were large prawns. They took some time to get ready. These are our prawns which were ready to eat. They came out, like I said, very tasty and very well as a starter. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please subscribe and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you so much.